Alrighty, folks, I'm sure this will be a lousy video, but this is really the last product review I wanted to do from the Toomey site. This is really an interesting product that I bought. It's a LED firework. I'm sure you've seen the ads on Facebook and everywhere else, but I wanted to show this product because I'm using this as two different things, as a decoration, as a lighting on my videos. So got a lot of lights on, but let me pan on up and show you. This is the firework. Right now, I crossed the line because I didn't like how I had it. I wanted lights in a certain spot. But this is what the firework is. And I have it on a white light right now. But what it does is it can actually do different things. I'm sure you'll see these online. I purchased this there. I thought that was kind of cute. Give me some light. Give me some entertainment in here when I'm in my office working on computers, doing other stuff. Might end up purchasing another one or two. I don't know. I haven't figured out. Maybe I want more in here, but each one of those strips are individual lights. And they plug into that controller, and you can change colors. You can change whatever you want on it. But I wanted to do a little short review so you can actually see this product. I actually like it. I like it a lot. But then that's the white. So that gives me drop light for when I'm doing my videos. So wanted to do a quick little video on that. Tell everybody, head on over to H Computers Tips and Reviews. Subscribe. So there ain't too much to show other than it has double-sided tape on it. Peel it off. Run the long strip kind of where you want. I got to mount the wiring, make that more secure, make that better. And then each one of those little strands has double-sided tape, and it plugs into that little round box in the middle and runs off. Took me about a half hour to do that, to peel that tape off, to stick it on there, do that. Little time used. Mentioned before on that site, pretty much everything needs assembly. A lot of the stuff you put together. That's one of them that you put together. So I hope everybody enjoys this little short video from H Computers Tips and Reviews because there's not much to it. You've seen the actual product. Not an actual unboxing because I already took it out and I put it up. But it was a nice enough product that I purchased that I wanted to do a video on it. And I want to give them a fair review on that product. And again, this is not just for that one site. I'm sure you can find this on a bunch of different sites. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm sure this video is a little shaky because I'm holding it trying to do everything. Thank you.